Greetings everybody, welcome to my channel Hitman for President. I am happy because I just received the Arashi aftermarket rear sets. I have made this purchase about a couple of months ago, but it took a bit too long than it's supposed to because it had to be shipped from China and then it was stuck at the custom for a couple of weeks. Then now I got it, but as you can see while you're unboxing it, you can see that there are a couple of greeting cards. Then there's this assembly manual, and also you will see that the rear set is already assembled, which is going to be very easy for you to install it. So unfortunately I wasn't able to record the installation process of the rear sets, but to be honest with you, it's a very straightforward process. You gotta assemble it, put on a couple of screws and then install it. That's it. But right now I want to show you the difference between the stock rear sets and also the Arashi aftermarket rear sets. It doesn't seem like it brings a whole lot of difference, but in terms of my body positioning, it makes me feel a lot more comfortable because when I installed this clip-on handlebar, I felt a lot of back pain. And it's the kind of back pain where when you wake up in the morning and you roll out of bed and it's very difficult for you to even stand up. So I didn't know what was the cause, but when I really studied the whole body positioning, my body positioning is like I was forced to curl, like this is my leg, and the leg positioning is still for a stock handlebar, and which is a little bit more upright, so your leg is right beneath the tank. So it's a little bit more forward. And when you install the clip-on, you don't want that. You want it to be a little bit backward and upward, which is why now I want to show you. This is where the aftermarket, the Arashi foot pack is. So this is where it used to be. So the aftermarket rear set is a little bit taller and it's a bit more backward, which then I was able to extend my back a little bit and no more back pain. So that to me is a plus because riding around with my back curled, it's no joke. It's very painful. So if you're thinking about doing what I did, which is installing the clip-on handlebar, maybe you need to really consider about having the aftermarket foot pack, which is supposed to be taller and a little bit more backward so that your back can be a little bit more straight and extended compared to be riding in a curling position, because I can tell you for a fact that it's not a fun position to be in. Let's say you are riding for about an hour and a half, and then once you stop, you're gonna start to feel the back pain, because that's what happened to me. But the problem was, I wasn't sure what was the problem. I thought maybe because I was sleeping in a wrong position, or maybe I was sitting in the office for too long. So I did a lot of stretches and a lot of exercises, but the problem was still there. I did not realize that the whole problem started because I made that modification. I did not study the whole ergonomics that is supposed to be suitable for the modification that I did. But I'm proud to say that I've already found the solution of it by installing the aftermarket rear sets, because once I did that, I don't have the back pain anymore. I enjoy my riding a whole lot more. Every minute of it, I don't feel the pain, and it puts a smile on my face, really. Having said that, I think I've covered the whole thing about this installation of the foot pack. I'm sorry I did not record the whole installation part, but I think it's easy enough for anyone to just do it. And the most important part for me is that I want to share with you what will you get by installing the racing rear sets. Maybe you will like it, maybe you won't. I don't know, it's all very subjective. I can't speak on anyone's behalf, but for me, this is what I like. This is the kind of modification that I feel the best for my SV650. So that's all from me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.